Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to turn off and turn on your HUAWEI Mate XS 2. The problem with the newer phones is that when you press the power button, it doesn't just turn off like the better older times. Today it's like that. If you press the power button on the right side, then what will happen? Hello, I'm Celia, things you can ask me. So a voice assistant, you have the same with Apple and with Samsung and all the other ones. But we don't want this. We just want to power off our device. So there are different chances, different possibilities you can do just to turn off your device. So I'll press it again and then hello, I'm Celia, and of course you can enable it. Hold down the power button for 1 second to wake me. Holding for 3 seconds will power off your device. Okay, so reading helps a little bit. So if I press this power button for more than 3 seconds, then I have the chance to restart and power off my device. Okay, so but you see it always takes 3 seconds just to restart and power off, and always Celia comes up. So we can go here to the settings, and there you can see wake with power button, and you can turn this off. Okay, so what happens when I press it now? Okay, not after 1 second, but the same, it's 3 seconds again. But the good thing is that Celia didn't power on. Okay, so that's a good thing. So let's look at the HUAWEI Assistant. I go here in the settings, and when I am in my settings, I go way down to HUAWEI Assistant, and here is AI voice. Okay, so you can see here wake with power button is off, and I can turn it on. Okay, I agree. I say German perhaps. I say later, and then wake AI voice with the power button. Okay, so skip, and you can do a lot of things. And then when I'm ready now and want to start this, you can see here that he is listening to me or she's listening to me, and everything's working. Okay, so what can we do next? We can go again to the HUAWEI Assistant AI voice and wake with power button and turn it off again. And here voice wake up is also off, and call when locked, improve, disable AI voice. Yes, I want to disable. Disable the shortcut. All right, so okay, now it's completely turned off, and again we have to wait these 3 seconds. Why don't you change this, that when I have turned off my AI voice, Lucia, that I can power off my device after 1 second? Okay, why doesn't this work? I think there is a lot of improvement here, but okay, this is the way how you can restart and power off your HUAWEI Mate XS 2. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.